Okay, this is a quick video to demonstrate to my friends over at Mark Systems how we used web services to send and receive data from a downstream ERP system. First of all, let me say that they have already built the web services based on the SOAP or Simple Object Access Protocol, and also provided the web service description language, or the WASDL, for those web services. So the web services were built, and they published the links to the definition, which is the WSDL, the WASDLs. And we used those WASDLs to add the web services to our project, which is really just a URL or a link. And then we use that link to access the web service to send and receive data. Okay, so the first thing that we did was we created a project, and in that project we add the web services from the links that they provided us to our project. And I'll do one as an example real quick. So if I go in here and I right mouse click on my Windows, this is just a basic Windows project just for demonstration purposes, add a new item, and I'm going to add a service reference. I have a list of them here. I'm going to cheat. And to add the web service to the project, I click the Advanced button, and then from the Advanced button, I have Add Web Reference button. Click on that, put the link to the web service definition document in here, the WASDL, and hit this button to say go. Okay. Now it found the web service, add job. This is to add a job, and now I'm going to give it a name. SDX add job. And then all you do is you click the add reference button, and now I have the web service add job in my project. That easy. Now once I have add job in the project, what I can do is I can create a reference to that web service. This is VB, add job, whoops, as SDX add job service. Now I have a reference to that web service, and I can use it just like it's a class library, just like it's a method already in my project. Okay, so I can go add job. Oh, add job, cool. Now all I got to do is enter the values to add that job, the GUID, and you don't need to know what these are, but there you've got all the things here. Now I'm going to add the job, including the job number, and if I run that, I'm going to create a job. It's that easy. Okay, but I've already set up some examples here of what I've done with some other web service calls, and I'm going to demonstrate those to you. Now, not only do I create data through these web services, I get data back from these web services, and I can process them. And I get those back in the form of an XML document. It's actually an XML element, but it contains XML nodes that I read. So it's like a tree view where I have a bunch of nodes that I can go read, process, and load into my database. So I'm going to do that here. I'm not really sure why I'm getting this funny error down there, but so I now the data being returned can be an XML document, which is the most common, but it can also be something else. It could be a value, a specific value, an individual value. It could be a data set. It could be a data reader object, if you're familiar with those. It could be other things, but the XML document is the most common. So anyways, if I run this project, I'm going to walk you through how we actually make a call to test a connection. We're going to get data back into a generic object, which I'm going to convert into an XML document, and then from there I'm going to read through that document and pull the data out and process it. Okay, so let me do that real quick. Why am I getting the... So let me try to clear this error. Okay, I'm going to stop it. I'm going to send you a second version with the demonstration of this.